This right here is my 1982 Yamaha XJ650 Maxim. Believe it or not, this thing was absolutely free. It was actually a barn find. The full story of how I got this is actually on my YouTube channel, Rev Rain, so go check that out and subscribe. Anyway, if you want to watch me turn this thing into a sick cafe racer like these, make sure to follow my TikTok and subscribe to my YouTube, where I'll be turning this thing into a complete cafe racer. That includes chopping the frame right here, putting a seat loop, new seat, probably new gas tank, new handlebars, which I have right there, and new gauge clusters, new headlight, wheels, tires, everything. So basically just a whole refresh of this bike. Right now it's a little rough, but I hope you watch my journey on how I fix this thing and turn it into a sick cafe racer.